Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. Are you looking for ideas for gifts for your friends for Christmas time or holiday time or birthday time or Mother's Day or any time? Well, I have a ton of stuff that I just ordered in here that's already available on Hooked on Pickin, so I would suggest going there right away so that you get your item that you want and it's not sold out. So I'm going to open this box and show you all of the new products that we are putting on Hooked on Pickin, and you can have awesome opportunities to buy.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
Okay, for those resellers out there, this is my wholesaler. This is not liquidation. This isn't just various different random things that were returned from stores. All of the product in this box is brand new. So I found this wholesaler at AST Market Week years and years ago. And so now I'm hoping to go this February, again in 2021, and hopefully to find some more wholesalers so I can make my store amazing. But the cool thing about this wholesaler is I'm able to get the stuff really, really discounted so that I can find it, so that I can basically pass the savings along to you. And the fact that I'm not selling it on Amazon makes it even better because I can price it that much cheaper. So let's see what we got in here. All right. So this is going to be lots of cool new product. So let's go ahead and just undo this bag. So this is a handbag that I purchased. And like I said, it's already available on Hooked on Pickin, so just go there if you want it. These are faux leather. Look at that. So this is kind of like a neutral color. It's got this cool detail, little tag there. You want to clip your keys there, little lock. And then it's got, this is actually a pocket that you can use for concealed carry or like your cell phone or your keys or whatever. And then as we open it, I don't want to break this little thing here. Look at how big that is in there. So it's got a long strap for a crossbody style. Then it's got a zipper middle. It's got a couple of pockets here. And then it's got a zipper on this back side, plus these two big compartments. So perfect for any size person who likes to carry a handbag. So you can do just the off-the-shoulder handbag, or you can do a crossbody style with that long strap. All right, so let's see what else we got. So that's a really pretty one. Ooh, this one has a cool chain strap on it. So this one is black in color, long strap. But it also has the shorter handles for the handbag. And then it's got one nice big pocket. And it's got two little side pouches here. And along this side, we've got a zipper one. So one big compartment with little pockets on the side. And then I love having these exterior pockets because you can put your cell phone in there, or your keys, or you know, your makeup or your chapstick, the things that always get buried in the bottom of the big pouch. It's nice to have those available on the outside. So I think I'll just rebag all these after the fact. So we're gonna just move this over. But they, like I said, they're available on Hooked on Pickin. All right, here's another big one. I do have some smaller bags, so don't worry. If you don't like these because they're too large, I'll be pulling out some smaller ones. Okay, so this is the exact same one I just showed you from over there. So I have two of these available. So great gift ideas if you don't know what to get that friend, you know. So everybody can always use a new purse. Ooh, I love this one. This one's so fun. So this one is very sparkly. Kind of a hot, like a nice pink, got a tassel here. Okay, so that's the front of it. And here is the back. This is a concealed carry purse. So this is where you would put the weapon or the cell phone or the very dangerous chapstick. And then here's a pocket for your cell phone or keys or something so you don't lose it. So this is a really nice one. Then on the inside, you've got one large pocket. It's all lined, easily washable. You got a little small zipper pocket here, you know, to hide those things you don't want anybody to see. And then you got a zipper pocket here, and then you also have another large pocket, and then two little pouch ones here. So this is good for like slipping your cell phone in if you want it on the inside. And the thing that I love about this one is it does have a zipper enclosure, so you're not going to accidentally dump everything out of your purse. So that's a really cute one right there. The nice pink, nice bright pink one. All right, what else we got? Okay, here's some cool ones. So I'm going to open only one, but I've got various colors of this style. So I've got a couple of black. I've got this one. It's a kind of a red wine color and this brown color. Let me see if I have any more of that one. I don't think so. No. Okay, so we're going to just open the black, one of the black ones. And this one is neat because it is a concealed carry purse. So, but the cool thing is it looks like a tiny little purse, but look, it has a super deep pocket. So you actually unzip it here. And it is lined, fun striped lining. And then it's got a pocket here, and a zipper on the inside, and one deep pocket. So you can make it real long if you have something tall. Then you got this kind of hidden one here, and you have a crossbody style strap for it. And this is actually a lefty or righty concealed carry purse, and it's got a Velcro holster inside. So you can go in from this direction or this direction. It does go all the way through, and it's got a Velcro holster inside. So you would put your weapon in there, or your cell phone, or your lipstick, whatever you want, and then face it any direction you want. But that way it stays in place and doesn't rattle around in there on the back of the purse. And you can also have it be left-handed or right-handed, depending on which way you want to carry it. So yes, it's a concealed carry purse for weapons, but you can put lots of other stuff in there. It's just a pocket, and so you can put, you know, your, like I said, your cell phone, your keys, anything you want quick, easy access to.
Mace,
Taser.
Yeah,
taser, all sorts of fun things. So we've got all those different colors, and there are actually a few more colors that are already have available on Hooked on Pickin. So just check it, hookedonpickin.com, and you'll be able to find them there. All right, so then we have, oh, I love this purse. Now I know I have this in multiple colors. This is my ruffle bag. Look at it. Isn't it cute? Doesn't it look like a tiered dress? That's what I think of when I see it. So this is the blue version. I have a bright orange. I don't know if that's in here or not. I might pull out the orange. I think there's a black one, a brown one, an orange, and then this pale blue color. But this is neat. So it's got a zipper on the back here. Pretty deep. Will fit keys or cell phone. And then it's got this clasp here and the magnetic closure. And so it can be really, really small if you want it to have a small closure. Or if you have a lot of stuff in there, you can leave it wide and just close it like this and have it be a little bit of a wider bag like that. So it can go either way. And it's got the short handles there, but look, it comes with a long strap, and it's black and blue. And then on the inside, we've got a pocket here, and a pocket here, and a zipper pocket here for all the things you want to hide. And so it's actually a really big bag. It doesn't look that huge, but it's a really nice big kind of tote style. So I'm going to put this back in there and close it all up. And I just think it is the cutest little bag, isn't it? It just sits up real nice. Isn't that cute? I love it. Like, it would go cute with my outfit right now, wouldn't it? All right. Anyway, sorry. I love the ruffle purse. All right. Then we have, let me see. I think this is a ruffle purse too. Yes. Okay. Okay. So I was wrong. It wasn't a brown. It was a pink. So it's kind of a pinkish brownish rose color, I would call it. So this exact same kind of purse, but just, they call it pink, but I would call it more of a rose, or kind of a, you know, well, you can see on the camera what color it is. Whatever color you want to call it. All right, so I got a couple of those. I do know I have a bright orange in that as well. Here it is. I found it. Look at this color. I love this. My kids' school colors are orange and black, and I thought this would be the most perfect purse. Look at that. Kablamo. And it does come in black, because I think I have one in black. So, yeah, I love this color. I think it's really cute. So we have fun colors with those. And if ever you find a purse that you love and I happen to be out of that particular color or style, please feel free to email me. I can always order more. And the turnaround for the ordering is usually a couple of weeks. And so I can usually have it for you in a couple of weeks. So if you see one and you're like, oh, they have the red, but I really wanted the blue, then let me know right away, okay? Here is another one. So this is a nice handbag, but it's not quite as large as those first few that I pulled open. So this one's a really soft faux leather. So it's very, very pliable. It's going to be very soft and comfortable. It's got a nice twist clasp. It's got a long strap for the crossbody style. Inside it has a pocket here, a pocket here. I like to know where all the pockets are because I have specific needs for my purse. All right, and then it's got two compartments, one large one here, one large one here with a divider down the middle, and then the zipper pocket along the wall here. It is a concealed carry purse for both ways, so if you're lefty or a righty, so you've got this side and the other side, and it also comes with the Velcro holster. So it Velcros right in there in whatever direction you like. It's got little feet on the bottom, so it does stand up real nice. And I think that's it on that one. Yeah. So I like these little little kind of silver grommet looking things. I have this in various different colors too. This is the black one. I have brown, this color brown. And I think I do have another color of this one already on the store. So that's a really nice bag. I just love how soft this bag is. It's a really, really nice, smooth faux leather. All right, then I have, oh, I love this one. With God, all things are possible. I believe I have this in tan and black, and then the hot pink and black. So let's open this. This is a concealed carry style, because it has this pocket here where the concealed carry weapon goes all the way to the end. Then it's got this nice little cell phone or keys pocket. This one's a nice little crossbody style, and it's less than the others. I think the other ones are around anywhere from $30 to $40. This one's going to be a little bit less. I think this one's in the $30 range. And so you got a nice pocket here that goes kind of shallow, so you don't get stuff lost forever. And then on the inside, you've got two little side pockets along the wall, and then one zipper pocket along the wall, and it is only a crossbody style, but it's got an adjustable strap. So it says Mark 10:27, with God, all things are possible, which I think is really cute with the cross on the front. Like I said, I do have various different colors of these as well. So most of them, every purse though is all black, and then this color changes down here. So that's a really neat one. I think that's a cool purse. That's kind of a nice travel purse. All right, then we have, oh, this is my sunburst one, I call. So this one is my silver or pewter color in this style. I have it in various different colors. It kind of feels a little purple, but I call it pewter. So it's silver, purple. It's got a little bit of black beading, a lot of bling. Similar to that pink one, but just a different pattern on the front. And then on the back, you've got your concealed carry with a Velcroed holster. I think, nope, there's no Velcroed holster, but it does have a concealed carry pocket. I felt there's a strap inside, right here. That's what I was feeling. Comes with a little tassel. And then it's got this pocket in the back for your cell phones or keys or whatever. I mean, it's pretty deep. You could fit your cell phone in there. And then on the inside, you've got a side pocket here, a side pocket here, a zipper pocket right down the middle that divides the two large compartments, and then a zipper pocket right here along the wall. And then it is a complete zipper closure as well, which is really nice because then you won't dump things out. So really nice sunburst pattern on that one. So I've got another one actually in this box, same color. And oh, and I do have this one in black as well. And here's my black ruffled purse. I knew there was another one. So I love the ruffled purse. Can you tell? All right, so we have various different colors of these styles. That was it for the box. But if you want one of these purses, these are great gift ideas. They're really fun. I try to pick somewhat neutral colors, but some fun pops of color occasionally. But very, very functional purses. I love all of the different pockets in them. I mean, it's really nice to always have this exterior zipper pocket, just because I always lose my keys in the bottom of my purse, and it'd be nice to have just one pocket where I can slip it in there and find it real easy. So hopefully it's been fun to see the new products we have on Hooked on Pickin. We've got a whole new line of clothing on there as well as the various fun things that I always unbox on a regular basis on my liquidation stuff that I get. And so if you are looking for gift ideas, definitely Hooked on Pickin is the place to go. And hopefully you have fun watching me unbox all of these amazing handbags that are all brand new and very reasonably priced on hookedonpickin.com. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you had fun watching all of the things that I unbox. If you ever want something or are curious about something, please feel free to email me at hookedonpickin.com. I love communicating with you guys. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that thumbs up button if you like it. And then make sure you always check out hookedonpickin.com for new items. If you're not on our email subscribe list, make sure you jump on our email subscribe list on hookedonpickin.com so you know anytime I add new product.